Get with the program's Deborah K. Levi. You know, I was thinking that if this hurricane was at 185 and heading straight for Florida, that this could possibly, that this Hurricane Irma, the war goddess, could possibly cut Florida in half near the tip. Now, you guys could all laugh about that, but if at 185 it goes in, it could just wash away the land at some point and actually split the tip of Florida in half. Yes, it can. That being said, we are lucky now that it's to 150 miles per hour, which is still horrifying, and heading into Florida and Miami bound. But anything could happen. Anything can change as we know it. Prepare to protect Florida. Get with the program in a place called Connecticut. DKL here, Lady Ranger.